Gang, what it is? Mook in the V, back with another video, man. And I ain't had the camera in a couple of days, y'all. I've been busy, boy. Let me tell you. But I ain't gonna tell you. We finna get right into action, man. Today, I'm putting my tire letters, Mook in the V, MV tire letters, man. If you don't know, I don't know where you been, but this is not gonna be a tutorial video. I already did the tutorial video way back in the day, which is really just like a year ago. But I might put a little clip of it in there so y'all go back and check out the tutorial video. I'm not telling y'all what I'm using, none of that. Y'all gotta go back and check the tutorial. And then, like I say, you can get that little excess off of that. But we got the A right there. Actually, I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. And I just use my hands, you know. You can use some. Everybody gonna do it a little bit differently, obviously. But I work with my hands all the time. So there you go, man. Get that little excess up out of there. And there we go, guys. Got a semi-finished product right there. It still needs to dry to get that information. But I'm about to reapply my tire letters. If y'all don't know, if y'all new subscribers, new to the channel, I got a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. We like to call it the Black Mamba. This is my baby right here. About a year ago, I was on my way to the Texas Motorplex, Texas YouTuber call out. And on the way out there, man, I blew the engine to my baby, man. Blew the engine and had really a bad trip, but a great trip. I did some great networking out there. I'm trying not to talk y'all ears off, but I'm just trying to give y'all a quick little background on what's going on here today. Anyway, blew the engine. The car sat for a long time, which got my tire letters looking like how they looking right there. You know what I mean? All nasty and whatnot. So I am about to redo the tire letters. And yeah, man, we just gonna jump right into it, man. Get these tire letters going. And I explain to y'all maybe while I'm, you know what I'm saying, doing my thing or whatever. But we gotta fix it. The Texas Motorplex YouTuber call out in Ennis, Texas is back around. I think it's a little bit earlier than usual though. But whatever, man, it's back around. So you know we heading out there, man. Me and my man Jojo Kaj, y'all know we pull up to all the shows, all the out-of-town shows together, man. That's my road dog, for real. Shout out my boy. But yeah, man, we just about to go ahead and get into it. I don't feel like doing this. I've been working like crazy, but if I don't do it, it ain't gonna get done. I wasn't able to get my wrap done, but I am planning on doing something while I'm out there in Texas, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. And I'm thinking about vlogging the ride all the way there, just live though. You know what I mean? So y'all stay tuned, man. And I'm about to go ahead and apply these tire letters. All right, gang. I know y'all can barely see me, but I done got one of the tires done. It's taking some time. I mean, not too fast. I'm actually kind of quicker than I used to be at it. I'm just talking, man. I hope y'all can see me. But all right, gang, so I done got one of the tires done, man. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at. Like I said, this ain't no tutorial type of thing. So all right, family, so finish one tire up. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Gotta clean up the letters a little bit, but just like that. As you can see on the outer of them, just like a little bit like that. You just clean that stuff up nice and easy with your nail, just like that. You know what I mean? So you gotta come back and just touch that up. But yeah, just like that. I took about 20 minutes to do that tire. So now I gotta hit the back and the other side. And then maybe I can go to sleep, man, cause I don't get no sleep no more. But I'm about to get right back to it, gang. Holler at y'all in a minute. Alright, sorry y'all. Camera died. But y'all already see what's coming, man. High is coming. Want to just show y'all that, man. My nose out here running, man. It's cold. I got a couple more letters to do. Really, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. I know y'all can barely see me, man, but let me see if I stand over here. Can y'all see me? Really, it's a wrap for the video, gang. I just wanted to show y'all what I was doing today, man. Give y'all just a little bit of content, man. This is a really, really, really innovative, dope way to get some nice tire letters. You do need to take your time with it because it can get sloppy if you don't take your time with it. Oh, there we go. You can see me now. I gotta put the light back on the camera. But yeah, man, time consuming, but if you do it right, comes out nice, man. If you don't think you can do it the right way, hit my DMs. I do this on other cars. I've done it on a couple of cars already. This will be like my sixth time doing it, I should say. But yeah, man, make sure you guys keep on watching the videos, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Foes coming on the Mamba, rap coming on the Mamba, a 1 of 1. The flip is gonna be insane, y'all. The remix is gonna be insane, man. I appreciate all my new subscribers, man. Cash App giveaway coming soon, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the next video. Gang, 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 gang.